Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore TestFlight builds after upload failures. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening Xcode on your Mac. Navigate to the window menu in the top toolbar. Select Organizer from the drop-down menu. In the Organizer, choose the Archives tab. Locate the archive of the build you want to restore. If your archive is not visible, ensure your project is selected. Select the specific build that encountered the upload failure. Click the Distribute App button to initiate the distribution process. Choose App Store Connect as your distribution method. Click Next to proceed to the next step. In the Upload options, select Upload and then click Next. You may need to validate your app before uploading. If validation is successful, proceed with the upload. Should the upload fail again, make a note of the error message displayed. Consider troubleshooting the specific issue indicated in the error message. Ensure your app meets all App Store guidelines and requirements. If necessary, make changes to your app or project settings as needed. Repeat the steps to validate and upload your build again. Once the upload is successful, open App Store Connect in your browser. Navigate to the My Apps section and select your app. Confirm that the new build appears in the build list. You can now proceed to submit your app for review or manage its TestFlight beta testing. That's how you can restore TestFlight builds after upload failures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.